Hey everybody, and welcome to this video about how you can install WordPress to your computer. I'm visiting the WordPress download page right now, and we can click the download WordPress 5.2.3. That will give us a zip file with the entire CMS in there. And while that is checking for viruses and so, we can create a new database because we need a database in our web server, and I'm running XAMPP here. So if you write localhost and dashboard, it's going to present you with this introductory page for XAMPP. If you're running XAMPP, you have to type XAMPP, all in capitals. So we will go for phpMyAdmin, and let's create a new database. Click on databases, and let's select, let's take WPDB. So now we have a database for our new WordPress. So now we're waiting for WordPress to actually finish up here. And we just click on the file and copy the WordPress directory inside it. And we can see I also have another file explorer that is showing htdocs, and this is where the web server looks for web applications in XAMPP. And it depends on the package you're running. If you're running XAMPP, it might be called a little bit different, but on XAMPP and XAMPP, it's called htdocs. So we're going to copy the WordPress directory, and it might take a couple of minutes, so I'm just going to be back when it's done. Alright, so now we can see that WordPress has been copied to the htdocs folder here, and we're just going to close the other one there. And we have a couple of files in there and some directories. Pretty standard WordPress installation here, and now we need to actually start the installation program. So we're going to write localhost and WordPress, and that should open up the installation window for WordPress, and we can select the language. I'm just going to keep the English here. And welcome to WordPress. So now we need to provide some information about the database so that WordPress can actually connect to this database. Alright, so now we have to tell WordPress the database name, the username and the password, so that it can connect to it. And we used WPDB as the database name. The username is root on XAMPP and also XAMPP. On XAMPP there is no password for the database. On XAMPP the password is root, if I remember correctly here. And we leave the other two untouched and click submit. Alright, so we have secured that WordPress can communicate with the database now, and we can run the installation. So we need to provide some information about the title here, and we can write, this is going to be the title of the website in WordPress, and the username, we can input admin here, could be anything. We could choose to keep this password, but it would be probably a little bit difficult to remember. And since we're running this on our own machine here, it is okay to have a less strong password, so we're just going to use this, and we're going to confirm it that we have a weak password. We need to provide a mail, and we don't want, it doesn't matter if we should discourage search engines from indexing on this site, because it is running localhost, so there's not going to be any online activity on this website. So we just install WordPress, and it should install in a couple of seconds here. So that's been installed. Thank you and enjoy. That's cool. So let's log in and provide admin and the password here. And we have a brand new WordPress that you can work on for making websites. Alright, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching and have fun with this. Bye bye.